hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it to check out our latest videos before anyone else. Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the speed test between Redmi Note 5 Pro and Honor 9 Lite. Honor 9 Lite sports a Kirin 659 processor with Mali T830 MP2 GPU. Base variant starts at 11,000 rupees for the 3GB RAM variant, and that's the one I'm using in this video. Redmi Note 5 Pro sports a Snapdragon 636 processor with Adreno 508 GPU. Base variant starts at 14,000 rupees and comes with 4GB of RAM. That's the variant I'm currently using. Now these are the Antutu and Geekbench scores of both the phones. Now I'll start the solo speed test where I open these 20 applications on both the phones individually and you can see which phone opens them faster. By the way, both the phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and all the apps have been updated to the latest version. Both the phones are also running the latest version of their operating system. So guys, Redmi Note 5 Pro was 20 seconds faster than Honor 9 Lite, which is really a big number. Most of it is because of the games. So let's see how they perform side by side. In this regular speed test, I'll open the first 16 applications on both the phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and exactly how fast it is when compared to the other phone. Purely in terms of raw performance, Note 5 Pro is better. Even in terms of software optimization, Note 5 Pro is more optimized than Honor 9 Lite. So let's see how they perform. Throughout the speed test, Note 5 Pro was noticeably faster than Honor 9 Lite. So in the speed test, Note 5 Pro is the winner. Now let's see how they perform in the memory management round. In this memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. Even 3GB of RAM should be sufficient to keep all these apps in memory if the phone has good memory management. By the way, I have the 4GB RAM variant of the Note 5 Pro and 3GB RAM variant of the Honor 9 Lite. So let's see how they perform. memory management is good on both the phones. But while retrieving apps from memory, Redmi Note 5 Pro was more responsive than on a 9 Lite. So even though memory management is a tie, you get better user experience with the Note 5 Pro. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test? Do let me know by commenting below this video. If you are planning to buy either of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos on tech. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.